Front elevation. Are you dreaming of a small home that feels spacious and modern? Check out this small house. Design that maximizes every inch of space while staying stylish and functional. Welcome to SM Home Design. Inside the living room. Open space, natural light, and cozy modern furniture make this room feel much larger than its actual size. Notice the minimal walls and smart furniture placement, perfect for small families or couples. The kitchen is compact but fully functional. A small island allows for cooking and dining while maintaining a smooth light cabinets and wooden countertops make it feel modern and airy. Small house design that feels big. Modern floor plan. Front elevation. This is the front elevation of a modern small house designed to look clean, spacious and welcoming. At first glance, you can see how simple lines, large windows, and neutral colors make this small house feel much bigger than it actually is. The combination of white and beige exterior tones reflects natural light, which visually increases the size of the home. The small porch adds charm without overcrowding the design, making it perfect for modern American neighborhoods. Big windows are not just for style. They allow more daylight inside, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. This front design proves that a small house can still look premium, modern, and visually impressive. Living room interior. Now, let's step inside the living room. This space is designed with an open layout to create a feeling of openness and comfort. The furniture placement is minimal yet functional, allowing free movement and a clutter-free environment. Neutral wall colors combined with natural sunlight make the room feel airy and relaxing. Large windows play a key role here by connecting the indoor space with the outdoors, making the living room feel wider. This type of layout is perfect for small families, couples, or anyone who wants a modern yet cozy living area. Kitchen design. This is a smartly designed open kitchen that maximizes functionality without wasting space. The kitchen island serves multiple purposes, including cooking, dining, and even casual work. Light-colored cabinets and wooden countertops balance warmth and modern style perfectly. The open connection between the kitchen and living area improves airflow and visual continuity. This layout is ideal for small homes because it keeps everything connected while maintaining a clean and organized look. It's a practical kitchen design that feels modern, efficient, and family-friendly. Master bedroom. The master bedroom is designed to feel calm, comfortable, and spacious despite its compact size. Light-colored walls reflect light, making the room appear larger and brighter. Built-in storage units reduce clutter and eliminate the need for bulky furniture. The bed placement allows free movement while maintaining a cozy sleeping environment. Large windows provide natural light and ventilation, enhancing comfort and energy efficiency. This bedroom design is perfect for modern living where simplicity and functionality matter most. Bathroom design. Even small bathrooms can feel luxurious with proper planning. This bathroom features a minimalist layout that focuses on functionality and cleanliness. Bright tiles and smart storage shelves help keep the space organized and visually open. The placement of fixtures ensures comfort while maximizing usable space. This design proves that you don't need a large bathroom to achieve a modern and elegant look. It's practical, easy to maintain, and perfect for daily use in a small home. Floor plan explanation. Here is the complete floor plan of the house. This layout includes 2 bedrooms, a living area, a kitchen, and a bathroom, all connected through smart pathways. Open circulation and minimal walls allow smooth movement from one room to another. Each space is carefully sized to ensure comfort without wasting square footage. The floor plan focuses on balance, functionality, and visual openness. This smart layout is the main reason why this small house feels much bigger than expected. Backyard side view. The backyard adds extra value to this small house design. A compact patio area provides a relaxing outdoor space for family time or evening breaks. Minimal landscaping keeps maintenance low while still adding natural beauty. This outdoor area improves ventilation and creates a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor living. Even a small backyard can greatly enhance lifestyle and comfort. When designed properly, this space completes the modern small home experience. This small house design clearly shows how smart planning can turn compact spaces into comfortable homes. Every room is designed to maximize light, space, and functionality. If you enjoy modern house designs like this, please hit the like button. Subscribe to SM Home Design for more smart layouts, modern interiors, and realistic 3D home ideas. Your support helps us create more high-quality design content for you. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which room in this small house design is your favorite? The living room, kitchen, or bedroom? Comment below and share your thoughts. If you want a custom 3D design for your own small home, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next modern home design video. SM Home Design, Smart Spaces, Modern Living.